Hey guys, this is Eddie with Tier 0 Support. Today's video is all about our favorite file format, the almighty PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format and was developed by Adobe all the way back in 1993. A little history lesson for you there. We'll split today's video into three parts. Part 1 will go over how to simply save any file to PDF. Part 2 will go over how to troubleshoot saving to PDF. And Part 3 will go over how to change your default PDF viewer. Alright, let's get started. The most common method to save any file to PDF is by using Microsoft's Print to PDF printer. That's right, there's a printer on Windows 10 computers that is called Microsoft Print to PDF. I'll show you here with this website. We can select print and then change the printer to be Microsoft Print to PDF. There it is. Once we hit print, it's going to prompt us to save to a location. Here I'm just going to put it on my desktop and we'll call it Wikipedia. That will go ahead and save this Wikipedia page into the Wikipedia PDF. And now I'll open that Wikipedia PDF file. As you can see, it's a wikipedia.pdf file. It opens within Edge, which is my default PDF viewer at the moment. And that's how you would save any file as a PDF. Essentially, if you open up a Microsoft Word file, if you open up any file, as long as you can print the file and select the Microsoft Print to PDF printer, you should be all set. Now let's say that you were following the previous steps and you didn't see the Microsoft Print to PDF printer. Don't be alarmed. We can manually install it or reinstall it if it's not working properly. First, what you want to do is go to the Start button, type in Run, open that application that is called Run, and within this prompt here, go ahead and type in optional features.exe. This is going to load up a window with all of the Windows features that are installed on your computer. What you want to look for is Microsoft Print to PDF. As you can see, mine is currently installed as it has a check mark. If you need to reinstall it, go ahead and uncheck it, click on OK, restart the computer, and then once the computer is up and running again, go ahead and follow those steps again, but this time, the second time, go ahead and check that checkbox again, and then click on OK. That should reinstall your Microsoft Print to PDF and will resolve most issues with that printer. Now then, this brings us to our last point, how to change your default PDF viewer. We can do this two ways and I'll show you both. The first method is by right-clicking on any PDF, selecting Properties, and then once the Properties page opens, go ahead and click on Change. This will go ahead and open a prompt which will give us options to open different applications. So let's say now I want to change it to open within Google Chrome. I would go ahead and select Google Chrome and click on OK. So now our default is switched over to Google Chrome, as you can see here. Click on Apply, click on OK. And now when I open this Wikipedia page, it's going to open in Chrome. The second method is by opening Windows settings, which can be done by opening the Start menu, going up to the Settings gear cog, and then go down to Apps. Go ahead and click on Default Apps on the left-hand side. On this page, scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by the file type. This might take a few moments as it's going to load all of the current defaults for all of the file types. All right, now that that's loaded, let's go over to the scroll bar on the right hand side. Go ahead and drag it down to PDF. Once you're there, you can see that .pdf is selected as Google Chrome. Once you click on Google Chrome, it'll go ahead and ask you to choose an application. And then let's switch it back to Microsoft Edge. And then you'll see that even the icon changes on the desktop or wherever your PDF files are located. And that concludes the second method of changing your default PDF viewer. This concludes today's video on PDF files. If you wish to learn more about different file formats or different items, please leave us a comment below. As always, please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need this information. Have a good one. Bye.